Ugh, socks and mugs. That's all I ever get for Father's Day. Ugh. Daddy, Daddy! What is it, son? I got you a Father's Day present. What did you get me? Son, I've never been as proud of you as I am right now. Thank you, Daddy. Yay! Oh, big hugs. Hey guys, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies. Father's Day is right around the corner, so I thought I'd pick out a few little bits and pieces that I think your father would love. I know mine would, so let's check these out. We will start off with Cross Silhouette Great Mazinga. Now, Mazinga was one of those series from way back when. Your dad probably has very fond memories of it, so good little desk toy, something to keep around as a nice little reminder of that awesome Father's Day you guys had back in 2021. And from there, we will go into something a bit more recent, Super Saiyan 3 Goku. Now, your dad is around that sort of age group of mine, bit younger sort of dad. He was probably a big Dragon Ball Z fan. And of course, Goku being a dad himself, maybe not the best dad, but it's a good inspirational sort of point and something you can definitely have little fights on the coffee table with, sharing with your dad. So now we're going to move on to some high grades. Always a good little grade if dad just wants a nice little relaxing thing he can do for a couple of hours. Start off with the Freedom from Seed in high grade. Good little kit. These Revive sort of kits they've done in the Seed range have been fantastic. So a good little thing to keep dad occupied. And from there we'll go into the more recent series. IVO, Iron-Blooded Orphans, the Barbatos in high grade. These are good little kits and very compatible with each other in this sort of Iron-Blooded Orphans line. So good sort of thing if dad wants to have a bit more customization in his high grades. Okay guys, so now we'll move on to some real grade. Maybe dad wants something in that same sort of 1/44 scale, but something a bit more difficult, a bit challenging, keep him occupied for a bit longer. So let's go with real grade Mark II Gundam Titans colors. Now I'm a bit more of a fan of the AU variant myself, but the Titans colors are pretty stunning. It's a good sort of piece if dad wants to keep himself occupied for longer, a bit more articulation, and for an early real grade, this is definitely one of the better kits available to you. And from there, we'll go into the more recent real grade set, the Zeong, the big boy himself. This is a fantastic set. Really good articulation and color separation in this one, and it's gonna look fantastic on dad's desk while he's studying away. So, very good set if I do say so myself. Master Grade is next in the lineup, guys. If dad wants something that's gonna be a bit more of a showpiece for his desk, let's go with something like the Sword Impulse. From Seed Destiny, awesome kit, just recently built this one myself. Got some gigantic weaponry with it, and of course bigger is always better, particularly when it comes to Gundam. And yeah, something dad would love to have for Father's Day. And next up, F91 version 2.0. If you've seen my review, you know how much I love this kit. The 2.0 version is just fantastic, as most 2.0 and 3.0s are. Something that's a little bit smaller than your average Master Grade, but it's not necessarily a bad thing. Occasionally, you want something that fits on the shelf a little bit better. This is the one you're after. Okay guys, here's the real deal. Forget the mugs, forget the socks. This is the one that you want to get dad if you really want to spoil him for all the hard work he has put in for you in these last couple of years. This is the Perfect Grade RX-78-2 Unleashed. This kit is fantastic. It is a great intro to the Perfect Grade line. It only recently come out, so chances of dad having it, very unlikely. And it is the granddaddy of all Gundams, pun intended there. It has some light up features and has a really good sort of setup for the building process in 5 different stages. Something to keep dad very well occupied, and he will love you for it. So that was just some of my personal picks for Father's Day, guys. But as you can see, there is plenty more on the shelf available. So if you are struggling to find that one gift you think Dad would like, feel free to give us a call, browse our website, plenty of options available to you. Of course, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Happy Father's Day, and we will catch you in the next video.